Hello everyone and welcome back to my class. Today in this video I will cover class 6 maths chapter number 5 exercise 5.7. So we are done with till exercise 5.6. We have completed our all exercises, isn't it? So today we will cover exercise 5.7. So question number 1, say true or false. We have to say either it is true or false. Question number A, each angle of a rectangle is a right angle. So A is given, each angle means all the angles of a rectangle is a right angle. So we know what is right angle. Right angle means 90 degree. Now is it true or false? For rectangle all angles are what? 90 degree we know, isn't it? So this will be what? True. So answer for this question will be true. So you will write T here. Now next rectangle, okay. The opposite sides of a rectangles are equal in length. So this will also be what? True. Always the opposite sides of a rectangles are equal. Now question number C. The diagonals of a squares are perpendicular to one another. Means diagonal. We know what is diagonal. I will show you the diagonal of the square. If you have doubt, this is a square. A square means all sides are equal, all angles are equal, and they are also 90 degree. Now this is what? This is called diagonals. Now it is written here, the diagonal of a square are perpendicular. Perpendicular means they are bisecting perpendicularly, means they are forming 90 degree to one another. So this is true or false? This will be what? True, okay. This will be true because you can see here they are forming what? 90 degree, okay. All are forming 90 degree. Now come to question number D. Question number D is all the sides of a rhombus are equal length. Now for the rhombus, isn't it? Rhombus also all sides are what? Equal. So this is also true. For rhombus also all sides are equal. Now E, all sides of parallelogram are of equal length. So all sides of parallelogram are of equal length. We can say this is a parallelogram. This line and this line is parallel. This line and this line is parallel. Then obviously that is what? Parallelogram, isn't it? Now if I will draw one more parallelogram. What is the property of parallelogram? Opposite sides are parallel and equal, isn't it? Now this line and this lines are parallel and equal, and this line and these lines are also parallel and equal. But all sides cannot be equal always, isn't it? Because this side and this side is not equal, isn't it? So question number E will be what? False, okay. Question number E will be false. Now come to F. The opposite sides of a trapezium are parallel. So opposite sides of a trapezium are parallel. Opposite sides means I will draw one trapezium. Now this is trapezium, isn't it? These sides are what? Parallel. But these sides and these sides are what? Not parallel. These sides and these sides are not parallel. So here it is written opposite sides of a trapezium, means one pair is parallel, isn't it? This two pair is parallel, but this two pair is what? Not parallel. That means this will be what? False. Because here it is not mentioned that pair of one sides of a trapezium is parallel, then it will be true. But here it just written opposite sides of a trapezium, because opposite sides of all the trapeziums are not parallel. So this is false. Hope everybody have understood. Now come to next question, question number 2. Question number 2. Give reason of the following. Now we have to give the reason for this following questions. A square can be thought of as a special rectangle. Now square is also can be thought of as a special triangle. Now square can be a special triangle also. Why? Because its all angles are right angle and opposite sides are equal. Okay, the answer will be what? Because its all angles are right angle and opposite sides are parallel. So square is thought as the special rectangle. Now question number B. A rectangle can be thought of as a special parallelogram. Now rectangle is also known as special parallelogram. Why? Because its opposite sides are equal and parallel. Because rectangle opposite sides are also parallel and what? Equal. Okay, rectangle opposite sides are also parallels and equal. Now D. Square, rectangles, parallelogram are all quadrilateral. Yes, all are quadrilateral, isn't it? What is quadrilateral? Any figure with four sides. Because square is also of four sides, rectangle is also four sides, parallelogram is also four sides. So they are called what? They all are called quadrilateral because all of them have four sides. Now come to E. Square also a parallelogram. Yes, square is also a parallelogram. Why? Because its opposite sides are parallel and equal, isn't it? Square is also parallelogram. Why? Because its opposite sides are equal and parallel. For square also their opposite sides are what? Parallel and also equal. So which satisfy the property of parallelogram. So yes. Now come to question number 3. A figure is said to be regular. Okay, a figure is said to be regular if its sides are equal in length and angles are equal in measure. Okay, a figure is said to be regular. Now suppose this is one figure and they are said to be regular. Why they are said to be regular? If its sides are equal in length, their sides are what? Equal in length, and angles are equal in measure, and their angles are also equal in measure. Can you identify the regular equilateral triangle? Now okay, any figure is said to be regular. This is said as regular if all sides are equal and all angles are equal, then we call it what? Regular. Okay, we call it as regular. Now we have to identify. Can you identify the regular quadrilateral? So for quadrilateral, which type of quadrilateral? In which type of quadrilateral all angles and sides are equal? So answer will be what? Answer will be a square is a regular quadrilateral, because in square all sides and all angles are equal. So answer will be a square is a regular quadrilaterals. So thank you all of you. This was the last question of this exercise. For any problem, difficulties regarding this exercise or this chapter, without any hesitation, you can comment below in my video. So thank you all of you for watching my video, and if you like my video, then please do like and subscribe to my channel, and bye bye and see you soon in my next video. Thank you.